put a new starter, and I put a new starter relay in this car. The thing was starting perfectly, now it just doesn't do anything. I mean, it just gives up. It's not doing anything. Now it's turning over, and it doesn't want to, start. Oh. I just put a brand new starter in this car. It was working perfectly. And I put a new starter relay too. It's not turning over. Now I got it started.